Welcome to the Alter Your Life series, filmed here on location at Oak Haven. I am Kathleen Hall, and I want to welcome you to this exciting movement that's spreading across our country, the call to alter your life. The call for change has been echoing across our world lately. Most of us are confused about the direction of our lives, but we just don't seem to know how to change. The themes that rule our life today are, I just don't have enough time, and I'm exhausted. We're overbooked, overworked, and overwhelmed. Just getting done what we must do is filling our days. The Alter Your Life show provides an alternative to ease the struggle most of us are experiencing. I know. I chased that golden calf. I found out years ago when I was working as a financial advisor with a Wall Street firm at the World Trade Center that my next promotion wasn't going to make me any happier. The truth is, the demands of our time never seem to end. Our jobs need us, our children need us, and increasingly, our aging parents need us. So what can we do? You can learn how to alter your life. Discover how to live an intentional life that requires no trekking off to distant holy lands. It doesn't require you to change your job, your lifestyle, or even transplant your personality. The Alter Your Life series will show you real people facing tough challenges in their lives and how they chose to alter their lives. The series is about learning how to change from the inside out instead of struggling to control the ever-changing chaos that ensues around you. Join us on this great adventure as you experience the challenge to alter your life.